What's up today, guys? We're here at a couple more ponds. Let's see what we can do. See if we can't catch some more fish for y'all. There's a fish. No, that worm. They're fish. Like they figure out how to do all kinds of different things. Like I do not know. Don't ask me. I really got to get a slower reel. There's one. Oh. 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 I got that on camera. Micah. 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 That's a 5-pounder. That's a 5-pounder. Dude, easy. I'm weighing him. No, he just got to quit flopping. Bro. Bro. Bro.
It's not bad.
Hold up. So, come here. Gotta get a picture of this one. Take it with my phone.
That is fat as fudge.
Look what's in his mouth.
Right, king.
Look, take a picture of that. And now, wait, grab my phone again, get the camera back up, and take one without my rod and everything. Hold up. Ready? Okay.
Hi.
Crankbait, Micah.
I'm over here.
I wouldn't recommend it.
No, but just look.
I know.
Just look how perfect it is.
What the? Does this fish not have a gill plate?
There you go.
Right at 5. Buddy, thank you for biting. Okay? Okay? I just thank you for biting. You're gonna do that. Big old girl. You, bro.
Dude, whenever he like 2 months in when he had this phone, we walked across that stand.
There's one. Little. A red crankbait.
Man, I got a red crankbait.
Landon. Little spot. All that.
Funny, he doesn't support dunking, but he's gonna do everything he can to make sure he's Dude, he's such a
Is that another one? Bro! I didn't even know it. Please be recording. You be getting in your feels with him. Oh. There we go.
Wait, is that a crawfish cranker?
Yep. Alright guys, we're about to head on home. We'll get this put together for y'all. I hope y'all enjoy. We caught some good fish. Caught a donkey, bro. Weighed it right at 5 pounds on that freaking KVD 1.5, man. Imagine that. But look at this. It's just beautiful. But thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, please like, and leave a comment if you would. And let me know how I'm doing. So appreciate the views.